Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a drop-down field in bit form. Let's begin. To edit your form, either click on the three-dot icon, then select Edit Form, or directly click on the form name. Here, search for the drop-down field. Drag and drop the drop-down field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the drop-down field settings. Name is the unique identifier for the field, and you can modify it if needed. The label option allows you to set a name for the field label that will be displayed on the front end of the form. Subtitle is used to add additional information to the field. You can also add a subtitle for the drop-down field. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. This feature allows you to provide clear instructions on what information to enter, making it easy for users to complete forms or documents. The helper text option enables you to provide short information about your input field, including any input restrictions and formatting requirements. The required option makes a form field mandatory and lets you customize the error message. You can show or hide the asterisk symbol by clicking this option. You can also choose the position of the asterisk symbol for the required field, before and after the label, on the right or left of the field. The read-only option allows visitors to view information without editing it, and this option ensures that important details remain accurate and unchanged. The disable option prevents users from entering or modifying any information in the form, ensuring that the form data remains accurate and unaltered. If you enable this option, the default search placeholder text will be displayed. You can also add a custom placeholder text for this field. If you disable this option, the search placeholder text will be removed. By enabling this option, the selected option's image will appear on the left side of the field. Enabling this option, the selected option clearable button will be visible. This feature allows users to clear the search option from the field. If you enable this option, the option icon will be visible, and if you disable this option, the option icon will be hidden. This feature allows users to input a custom option that is not available among the predefined options. This feature allows users to select multiple options from the drop-down list and offers the flexibility to choose multiple options at once. Using this option, you can set a minimum number of selectable options for the users, and you can also set an error message that will be displayed when the limit is extended. This option allows you to set a maximum number of options, and you can customize the error message that will be displayed if the limit is exceeded. Enabling this option ensures that users cannot select more than the maximum allowed number of options. If they attempt to exceed the limit, the remaining options will be automatically disabled. This feature allows the user to display all selected options within the field. It is particularly useful for multiple select drop-downs and provides a clear visual representation of the user's selection. Enabling this option will automatically close the drop-down menu once the user selects an option. If you enable this option, the drop-down field will be hidden, and if you disable this option, the drop-down field will be visible. This option allows you to set the maximum height for the drop-down list. By establishing a maximum height, the drop-down list will show only a limited number of options at once. Users can scroll the remaining options as needed. This option ensures that every user is unique, and it helps to prevent duplicates. You can also set a custom error message. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the drop-down field. Here, you can see that the drop-down field has been successfully added to the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.